Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be going over how to let the system know when you are going to be sending out items with your custom packaging. Now, this is going to be an important video if you are starting a business or if you do have a business where you are shipping items to your customers. So maybe you're shipping hair extensions like I do for my business. My website is badshakehair.com. If you are interested in getting involved and started with having a hair business of your own, I'm happy to help with different tools and resources and information available on my website. The link is down below this video. Maybe you're selling phone gadgets, maybe you're selling clothes, maybe you're selling shoes, eyelashes, whatever the case may be. If you are going to be sending out products in customized packages, then there are a few things that you do want to consider and also be aware of when you are letting the system know through Shopify that you are going to be sending out those orders through custom packaging. So if you are interested, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So right now I am logged into my Shopify account. I actually am in one of my orders. And if you are using Shopify, it just makes everything a lot more simple and easy as far as printing out your labels and making sure that you are getting the best pricing on shipping your products. And so if you don't have Shopify, now is a great time to switch over. Click the link down below this video and get started with Shopify. Choose a plan that works best for you, and there may even be a free trial. So right now I am, like I said, in an order, and it's already set to priority mail flat envelope for the type of order that this is. This is a sample order, I believe, so I'm going to be sending a few samples. And so if you are not going to be using a priority mail envelope or a priority mail box from USPS, or maybe a box that's for UPS or FedEx, if it doesn't have like a carrier's name on that box, if it's not specific to that carrier, then it is going to be a custom package. And so you can purchase custom packaging. You may have seen or watched different videos where different companies or entrepreneurs send out materials or products in packaging that are maybe covered in glitter, or in packaging that are pink, packages that are pink, or packages that are blue, or just custom packages. And so it's okay to do that. I've made videos about purchasing custom packaging as well. But when you do that through Shopify, you want to make sure that you're telling the system the right thing to do. Now, I have sent products out in custom packaging, and then I wasn't aware of how really to tell the system that I'm doing that. So the first thing that you want to do if you are going to ship out with custom packaging is click on Add Package. Now, when you do that, you have an option to choose if it's going to be a custom box, envelope, soft package, and then you also can swing back over to carrier packaging. Now, a lot of times when I am sending out wholesale orders, so orders that contain, or larger wholesale orders, I should say, orders that contain over 90 items. Maybe it's, 90 bundles, and maybe it's, a combination of bundles and frontals. For those of you that are in the hair industry, you may understand the terms that I'm referring to, but that's really neither here nor there. If you're sending out a large package of products, no matter what industry you're in, USPS may not have the boxes available at the post office that will fit your order. So I actually ran into a dilemma like that a few times, and I had to figure out, okay, how am I going to ship this product or these products without having to split the order up and pay, more for shipping. And so what I decided to do was purchase a custom box. So you can do that like at your Target. You can browse at Target and see, what kind of boxes they have there. You can go online. They have different websites out there where you can purchase custom packaging. But all you do once you decide on the box that you are going to be using is go ahead and put the height and weight. The height and width. You can also put the weight of the box if you know that in there, but that is optional. Say that I was to skip these steps and then go ahead and purchase a box from, maybe a website or another box, or use a box that I have at home, or go into Target and purchase a box and print out a label that's priority shipping through USPS and take it to the post office. A lot of times that will be not accepted. They'll tell you this is the wrong label for this box, and they may ask you to go ahead and pay for, or give you the option to pay for the correct label. And at that point, you have to go back in and cancel the original label and things like that. Not saying that there's anything that's going to be too difficult for you to correct, because you can definitely correct if you are, shipping products out with the wrong label. You can correct that. But if you can save yourself time by having to go back and correct something that you could get right the first time, then why not? So right here, I'm just showing you some of the different options that you have available if you are going to go with carrier packaging. So I believe this is through UPS right now. I'm just showing you the different boxes and envelopes that they have available. So if you don't see a box or an envelope that fits your order, or if you just decide, hey, I don't want to use any carrier packaging, I have my own packaging. There are certain companies that send out all of their products in certain packaging. So if that's what you want to do, that's fine. I just want everyone to make sure that you're going through and doing the right steps. Now, I did get an error. It says to get shipping rates, you need to fix the error on this order. So it's telling me that I have to know the total weight with the package included. So a lot of times what you can do is you can weigh the box before you go ahead and place your products inside of the box. And then it's also really good to have a scale with you to also, weigh some of your hair. And I'm saying here because, again, that's the industry that I'm in, but you do want to make sure that you're weighing your products as well. Here is showing you the different prices and also the different delivery date expectations. It also shows you which options you can go with for certain insurance amounts. Now, you can definitely go back and add insurance to, a higher level of insurance on certain packages if you choose to. But I just wanted to kind of show you what options you do have available to you through your Shopify store. Right here, it gives you a coverage amount. So I made videos in the past about ShipSurance. You can go ahead and type in the amount that you do want to be, as far as the insurance amount that you do want covered on this specific package. It also gives you more information about the rates through insurance and things like that. You can choose which shipping date you're wanting to send out your products. You still have to choose that date, whether you are going through carrier packaging or whether you're deciding to use custom packaging for your business. And then you can also choose if you want to go ahead and email your customer the details right away. So this is a really important step. A lot of times, as business owners, we may be rushing or, trying to get things done really, really fast. And what I've learned to do over the years is to work more efficiently. I don't necessarily have to rush. I don't have to make sure that I'm moving really rapidly, but I'm making sure that I am being as efficient as I possibly can. I wanted to swing back around and let you see what I was referring to when I said that you can go ahead and put in the weight of the box when it's empty, and that it's optional. And here is the section that gives you the ability to do that. You can change it from pounds to whatever you need to change it to, and you can also go ahead and use the up and down buttons to put in the right weight for your box. So that's that for this video. Again, I just wanted to explain another step that needs to be taken if you are going to use Shopify to ship out your orders using custom packaging. I just wanted to save you some of some time when you go to the post office, instead of going there and thinking that you're all good to be, have your packages shipped out, for the carrier to come back and say, no, this is the wrong label. It can definitely take more of your time. It could possibly cost you more money. I've been in that position where I've allowed the carrier to go ahead and generate the right label and, get the right packaging for me. But because I didn't do it through my Shopify store, I didn't get a discount. A lot of times when you ship your items and print that label directly from Shopify, you do get a discount, and it just makes things a lot more seamless for you. So, just make sure that you're shipping out the items with the right label and also with the right packaging. And if it is going to be custom, again, I kind of walk through how to tell the system that you are using custom packages. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.